Ayan mga kalola, kakain po tayo ng durian. Dito po sa Penang, Malaysia. Kasama ko po si Sam. Kakain kami
Yeah,
dalawa.
thank you. Durian please.
Babalik na rin ko yung camera para makita nyo kung paano kami kumain ng durian. Very good ka?
Yeah.
I bought also, my husband bought durian for me in Europe.
Oh, in Europe. But there, how they got sell in the Europe?
I don't know, online.
Oh, online. But here you eat fresh, right?
Yeah.
Tropical countries.
Mm-hmm.
Europe in which part, man? You stay?
Austria.
Oh, Austria. Okay. Yeah, go.
But if I eat a durian in Austria, they are gone, my family.
Oh,
They go.
oh. You know the gas, huh?
Mm.
You don't like. And then once you burp,
Yeah, yeah.
they run away.
Yeah. 24 hours. So
Yeah. That's why. They put water after eating, they put water here, then they drink. They drink and the smell not even come out too many.
Really?
Yeah, and then they wash hand also. They wash hand
Yeah.
with the tap water and
Uh-huh.
then from here need to flow.
Okay.
Need to flow and then you wash hand.
Okay.
The smell no.
Okay.
Same also you can drink is cooling.
Okay, I do it.
That is the miracle.
Okay. It's enough, one bottle?
So yeah,
Okay.
yeah. You put, you can drink like this in the
When I'm finished.
yeah.
Hanggang madali po kaming kumain. I think when I'm finished, I need cigarette.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, just okay.
But very expensive, huh?
Yeah. So, our durian season in the June, July. After that finish. In the Penang durian is very, very nice taste.
Okay.
This is from the Cameron Island, Pahang.
Okay. Okay.
So,
July, August.
Yeah.
Okay, I come again.
August is very Penang durian. Is very,
Okay, I come again in
Many
August.
people Singaporean come for durian in the March and the May and July.
Okay.
They're starting to grow already.
May, July, August.
August.
But it's a rainy season.
Yeah, no problem. They will come. They're blooming. Rainy season also they
Durian is very important.
they come.
This is very good when this inside the refrigerator in cooler.
In the cooler.
Must be
Before.
very
Creamy,
that's very good.
Yeah. Very creamy. Very heaty and very good calcium.
Yeah, it's like ice.
Yeah.
Ice cream.
Yeah. It's collagen, very collagen, good collagen, yeah.
Collagen.
Good for the, yeah,
It's
for
good
the
for-
bone. The bone makes strong.
Oh.
The bone, yeah.
In Malaysia, many durian?
Yeah.
Too much durian?
Too much, but especially in the Penang is very famous. I don't know why. It's a miracle. The Penang durian, they say very nice. Every people in the Malaysia, they come on the
Malaysia.
season. On the season, they come here.
I think durian only in Malaysia,
In Malaysia,
Thailand?
Thailand, in Malaysia, Pahang. Pahang, all the way season, no season.
Okay.
But in the Penang, is got the season. Thailand also no season. Every time you can eat the durian. Every time you can anytime go.
Wow.
But I don't know why in the Penang only in the May, June, July.
Yeah. Yeah, it's enough.
Uh-huh.
May, June, July, then I come again here, maybe someday on July.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am, for the durian. I eat.
You like one? I still have one, sir.
No, it's okay. Ma'am,
I think
please finish it.
Thank
I
you.
tell you.
My husband is working outside.
How about there is expensive? There the durian you in the Australia expensive, yeah. Here in the compared to now, compared to the June, July, is little bit cheap more. In Penang.
Okay.
Take from the Baham.
Bahang, okay.
Baham, yeah.
Because if I ordered durian, so my husband ordered for me, we have to wait 2-3 weeks.
From the courier service.
Yes. Okay, I eat and then I come.
You can take my later. I give my email or my WhatsApp. Like if you may, you cannot come. I will send you.
Yeah. You sent me durian?
Yeah, I send you. I package the durian. Can send
Oh.
from Malaysia.
Yeah.
Yeah, can send. You give your address. Okay.
Okay.
You pay the post all everything for me.
Okay, good.
I will send you the.
Nah,
durian.
very good. Sam, yeah, very.
Yeah. If you couldn't make it to come.
Yeah.
You, later you get my take my WhatsApp.
Okay, good, yeah.
No problem. Just scan,
I
scan.
give you my number.
Yeah, you just scan like this.
Okay.
In my phone, something you can scan or
Just a moment.
I scan your
Okay.
scan the WhatsApp.
Okay, good. Okay. I give you my number.
Yeah, can no problem.
00
Oh now, okay later. 00
43
43
664
664
13
13
40
40
803.
803.
Yeah.
If I call, can get you? If I call, can? Yeah, Australia. Sure.
But I'm online. I'm
Oh, okay.
Yes, it's my number. My look.
Huh?
My look. Yeah.
Yes,
It's my
I said, what's main name to call you?
Susan.
Susan, huh?
When I come, I call you, okay?
Yeah,
When I
sure.
come again.
Sure. You got WhatsApp, ma'am? Same number WhatsApp.
Yeah. The last one.
And this one?
Ah,
WhatsApp?
it's my family.
Oh. Big family.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, all green, huh?
Yeah.
Nice, huh? Fluorescent green. That's for winter? For the winter
Yes,
season?
winter.
Oh, okay.
Winter season, very cold.
Now it's summer.
Yeah. No.
Now it's winter.
Yes, now it's winter. Yeah. Okay, I drink. I drink here.
Yeah, you put water and you can drink like
I
this.
drink on the
Then
neck.
the smell a little, they go off little bit, but still have a little.
Okay.
That's not enough. Another one
Nah,
more time.
yeah,
After
one.
drink, another
Okay.
one more time.
I drink all.
Yeah, can.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem. Thank to you, man.
Pag dito daw ako uminom, hindi raw siya mabaho. Ay, sorry po kung ganito ang kain ko. Nagmamadali po kami. Mga kalola, February 16 po. Ay, 17, sorry. Nakain po tayo ng durian. Sarap-sarap. Puti pa. Wow, God, sorry. Didigal na tayo maya-maya lang konti. Hi. You come from China?
You local?
No, I'm not local.
Where you come from?
Europe. Europe.
Europe. Which country?
Austria. Austria.
Okay.
Near Switzerland.
Okay. Good.
Okay po mga kalola, magkabayad na po tayo. Medyo mahal daw. At na, How much?